In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Framer website. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can place clean, readable text exactly where you want it on your canvas. Whether you're labeling a button, adding a headline, or dropping in a paragraph, this quick setup is all you need to get started. Begin by opening your project in Framer and looking up at the top toolbar. Find the text icon. It looks like a capital T, and click it once to activate the text tool. When the tool is active, Framer makes it clear that you're about to add a text element. This puts you in the right mode, so the next action places text, but rather than shapes or images. With the text tool ready, simply drag and drop a text element onto your canvas. Click and drag to position it where you want it, then release to place it. As you move it, keep an eye on the smart guides that appear. They help you align your text with other elements and maintain consistent spacing. If you're placing text inside an existing frame or section, you'll see it nest in the layer structure, which keeps everything organized for later edits. Once the text element lands, it's immediately editable. The placeholder text is selected, so you can start typing right away. If you need a short label, keep the text box narrow. For longer content, drag one of the corner handles to widen the box and let the lines wrap naturally. Resizing this way helps control readability and keeps your layout balanced. As you position the text, let the snapping guides do most of the alignment work. They'll help you center a headline, line up body text with margins, or tuck labels neatly next to icons. This is especially useful if you're aiming for a clean, grid-based layout without measuring everything manually. A couple of quick notes to make things smoother as you go. If you click away and can't type, just select the text element again and continue. If you accidentally drop the text in the wrong spot, use undo to step back and try again. And if the text seems cramped or stretched, adjust the box by dragging the handles rather than moving the entire element. This preserves the position while improving legibility. That's all there is to it. Click the text icon at the top, then drag and drop to place your text. With those two actions, you've got full control over where your words live on the page and how they flow in your design. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Framer.